Hey guys, this is Amanda from A&M Works coming to you. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update because we said in a couple weeks we'd give an update and we would know if the PVC valve replacement worked. So as of Friday, we're still using oil, but it was also close to my oil change time. I got my oil changed yesterday, which was Saturday. So we're gonna see how it does after the oil change and see if maybe my oil consumption is down after we've changed the PVC valve and after I've gotten my oil changed. So I guess in a couple weeks in 2 to 3 weeks, I guess we will update you further if it worked or not. I don't have my dogs with me today. I would show you the faces of A&M Works and my husband, but I'm not around them right now. So anyways, I hope you all have a good night. Stay warm because cold front has come through and it's like freezing right now. Well, not literally freezing, but it feels like it's freezing. Anyways, God bless, stay safe. Thank y'all. And always, please like our videos, subscribe, leave comments. Let us know if you like the videos, anything that we can do different. Let us know. We're trying to be ourselves. So anyways, please like the videos, subscribe to them, subscribe to our page. Anyways, thank you. God bless.